Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start inside Chrome, open the three-dot menu, and go to Settings now. Once there, navigate to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. You're doing this because pop-ups are handled per site. Changing the global pop-ups and redirects control stops most interruptions. Make sure to pause on the content list so you can find pop-ups and redirects quickly. This is the first actionable step that immediately puts control back in your hands. Now set the default pop-ups and redirects behavior to block. This prevents new pop-ups from appearing. Once done, inspect the Allow list and remove any domains that shouldn't be permitted. This is why you still saw pop-ups. You can add problem domains to the block list manually using Add, and make sure to include variations like subdomains. Also check any recent site permissions so allowed sites aren't accidentally re-enabled by extensions or synced settings. Finish by restarting Chrome so changes fully apply across tabs and windows. If pop-ups persist, check extensions. Disable ones that inject ads or have suspicious permissions. They often override site settings. Make sure sync isn't restoring allowed sites from another device. If problems continue, clear site data for the offending domain or reset site settings for a clean slate. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.